How is your stay at home going on in this lockdown? It has been, getting postponed, and this is the second lockdown that we are in, which was not expected. We are all taken by surprise. A lot of us are like kind of struggling with a few things that we are used to, and stuff like that. So today I'm going to talk about few things, and I'm going to share my tips on certain pointers which I will just share it with you all. Now, how did I come to this conclusion was that I'm an image consultant, and also a fitness trainer, Reebok fitness trainer, and an interior designer, of course. With reference to grooming and staying looking good, feeling good, and on how you behave and how you conduct yourself, because those energies reflect in your behavior. So what happened was that a couple of my friends, they actually contacted me, and on Facebook, there were some friends, Facebook friends whom I do not know personally. They wrote to me asking for these certain tips as to how do you maintain your hair, or now since we cannot go to the salon, so how do you maintain your the skin, and how do you maintain your eyebrows, because the hair is all growing and the eyebrows have become messy. And because nowadays we have these salons like in every corner, so usually we do not have stuff at home. So how do you actually maintain that, the waxing part of it? So I said, okay, fine. I did give them the tips, but I said, okay, fine, let me pull out certain things which I have at home, and which I had kind of just forgotten about them, because I used to hardly, I never needed them, so they were just there with me, all this stuff that I had bought some time back, which came handy now, during this lockdown. So I will just share these few things that I had collected over a period of time, and that has become handy now, and maybe some of you all already have. Hi Aarti, how are you? What's up with you? I'm fine, thank you. Okay, so all these days in the lockdown, I was actually kind of enjoying, I was liking this hair growth and this little slightly messy look, and so I wouldn't call it as messy, it is more natural. So I was somehow enjoying myself. My skin is breathing. I think obviously, I think sabki skin, hair is breathing, skin is breathing, and because of less makeup, because of less products on our hair, on our skin, and so I'm because I am into workouts every day, and so obviously my body is also breathing, and meditation every day, so obviously your mind is also breathing. So when it comes to this entire process, I would say, besides that, I think we can use some kind of these hacks or some kind of these tips can be used, where you can actually use them daily now in your lockdown as well. So I have a question here from Manasvi. Okay, your hair is looking amazing. How do you keep your hair soft and shining? Yes, Manasvi. Yeah, so thank you so much for the compliment, first of all. Yeah, it is looking amazing. Okay, fine. Yeah, okay. So I will tell you what I normally do, and today what I have done. Normally what I do is that I use a sulfate free shampoo, and to be very specific, I love this brand called Reviver, which is a sulfate free shampoo, and I use that shampoo because they are not very harsh on your hair. And I wash, my entire family actually uses Reviver. And after that, after washing your hair, then I use Reviver conditioner, and after the conditioner, then I use the serum. Now this process, I guess everybody's doing, but what is important is that when you're using your shampoo, many people, what they do is they use the shampoo and they rub their hair this way. This would land up into split ends. So what you need to do is that you need to take the shampoo and put it on your scalp. So it's the scalp that needs to be cleaned, and then the foam that gets over all your hair properly. And you're not supposed to not supposed to rub your hair ends this way. You're not supposed to. So that is one tip. Secondly is that when you're washing your when you're using your conditioner, so the conditioner should not touch your scalp, point number 2. And thirdly, leave your conditioner on your hair for at least 4 to 5 minutes, and after that rinse it with cold water, not with hot water. It has to be rinsed with cold water only and only. And after that, you can use little bit of serum, and in your wet hair you can use serum, and so that अगर आपके बाल ऐसे फंस गए हैं या टैंगल हो गए हैं तो they get all entangled, and it's easy for you to brush your hair. Okay, I hope Manasvi, I have answered your question. And in order to Aarti, I will just come back to you. Let me finish with Manasvi. So what happens is that this is a normal procedure of washing your hair. Otherwise, what you can do is that you can keep on applying slight little bit, 2 to 3 drops of your serum, and apply only on your, especially on the ends. Don't make it too much because it is very hot. The weather is very hot, so it will give you that, because of the humidity, especially in Mumbai, so you will feel little sticky. So avoid doing that. Secondly, what you can also do is that, what I recommend, at least now when you are under lockdown, is that you can let it dry naturally. Let it dry your hair naturally. Maybe once in a while you could use a conditioner, you can use your hair dryer or something, but otherwise I would suggest that you should let it dry very naturally, so your hair also gets to breathe. Okay, now Aarti has asked, I'm worried about the eyebrows. I shave them after every 6 months, but it's long time, and also no point in visiting any salon even when the lockdown is lifted up. Yes, Aarti, it's a very valid question, and I have a solution for you, and you would be very happy with this solution that I'm going to give you, the tip that I'm going to give you, because it is very easy. Okay, so reference to your eyebrows. Okay, if you are conscious of the grown eyebrows and messy eyebrows and undone eyebrows or whatever, so then in that case, what I would suggest you is one magic product, one magic item that you can get it from any local chemist, because they have it, and it's a very small thing which I'm going to do, and that is your plucker. So plucker is your magic product or the item that is going to help you in this lockdown to take care of your eyebrows. So no need of threading. Do not try threading yourself. Pro with it. So what you can do is that you can go for this plucker. So I picked up this plucker from the chemist shop here, and I have picked up this after receiving those questions from my Facebook friends, and I said, okay, fine, so there should be some solution to this, and I tried it. I have tried this. I picked up this plucker from the chemist this way. So this is the way the plucker is. Okay, it's harmless, very easy to use, and I literally used it on my eyebrows today. Yes, this morning, and you can see this is the way it is. And if you will go on my so get this magic product from your chemist shop, and it's very easy to use. You just need to just pull the hair this way, and believe me, it's not painful at all. So you just, like kind of, I'll just show you. So you just, now there is no hair, just do this and pull. It took me a little time, but then it's worth it. And you just, so here one tip which I would give you is that your eyebrow is already shaped. So what you have to do is, here, don't try to shape your eyebrow, but what you can do is start from the end, okay, and very close to the eyebrow, go very very close to the eyebrow, and remove those hair first. Okay, so you get a gap between the grown hair here and your eyebrow. So then what happens is, once you get that one line clear, then here all these other extra hair you can just keep pulling randomly, and you get very nice shaped eyebrows. Before using, just comb your use a small your eyebrows upwards this way. A small scissor like this, and since we are doing it on our own and we are not pro in this, so what I suggest is that you cut your hair, the extra hair, this way. Okay, so with this, what will happen is that I have used it and you can see it now, and once this is done, after that you can use this, and your eyebrow solution is taken care of. No, Aarti, it doesn't pain at all. It doesn't pain at all. I have used it today. Any other precautions to be taken while using it? No. So only precaution is that since we are not pro and we are trying for the first time, so I would suggest just be a little careful. One. Two is that you need to kind of the way in salon, first line first, and it Aarti, to answer question, hair are not pulled together. It's like just pulled out individually, and believe me, it is very very helpful, and you will get a kind of satisfaction once you will do it. So and after that हो सकता है कि आप salon जाना बंद कर दो, because you will be able to do it on your own at home. You don't need a salon after that. So this is what you okay. So another precaution is that maybe what I suggest is that you could use little bit of powder and apply here on your eyebrow, so that your hair is actually seen which needs to be plucked out, and then you can pluck out those extra hair, and that's it, and you are set, nice, clean and neat. So I answered your question, Aarti? Are you satisfied? Okay, now we come to the next point, and that next point is concern that people are having is your gray hair. So what is happening is that with your gray hair, since no salons are there, no touch up, you cannot go for touch up, you cannot apply any kind of on our own, since there is no stock and stuff like this. So then in that case, what you can do is that, because when we are talking about hair color, we are only talking about hair type, the gray come in. So what you can do is that you can use your mascara. If you have a black color mascara, or you can use your mascara to do the touch up. Point, you can use your black color, eyeshadow, the ones which we use for smoky eyes, or dark brown color eyeshadow. Take and use that with the big take the eyeshadow, use your hair. You can use your mascara, as I said. Magical product all of us have, and that is your eye pencils or liner. So this is my brown color eye gel, okay, which I have actually, I'm wearing now, and so this is this way the brush is. So what I say is, just to show us that I took touch up this way, and it very natural. In my case, this color also looks nice because the other hair color goes and matches very well with it. But yeah, it does the trick. And whenever you want to come on the camera, or whenever you want to take pics, or even otherwise also, you feel good. So once you wash your hair, and after washing your hair, you can just use your either mascara or eyeliner or eye pencils or eye shadows, so those colors, but just take care of the colors blacks or browns. So those are the ones which you can use for the touch-ups. Okay, now we will come to so if we do not have any of these things you suggested, then what do you suggest for gray hair, messy eyebrows, and how do you maintain that confidence? So yes, Manasvi, your question is very valid, because your appearance actually boosts your confidence, and we cannot deny the fact that what we wear does affect our moods and emotions and our behavior, and we cannot deny that. So yes, and I will come back to this question, and I'm going to answer this question at the end of the session. In the meantime, let me come back to the waxing part of it. Now a lot of us are having a problem with the waxing because we do not have wax at home, or maybe we do not, a lot of girls or the ladies use a razor for shaving. But what if you don't have a razor? Then what do you do? So I have a product which I'm going to share with you, which I had picked up I think when this was about almost about 16, not even 16, it will be like about 20 years back. So I had picked up this product about 20 years back because one of my friend had suggested me, and this was only at that point of time when I picked up, it was I had picked up only for underarms, for clearing my underarms, clearing my underarms. Now here the product that I am talking about, the magic product that I am talking about is this. This is the product. So what is this? It is an epilator. So what do we do is you get these epilators of various brands. You have Philips, you have Braun, and whole lot of other brands also have. It's also available online, and this is a beautiful product. Beautiful product. I have been using it from last 30 years. So you can actually use it for your underarms, your arms, entire removing all your hair from your arms and from your legs. Now lot of you go for upper lips, clearing the upper lip and also some facial hair and stuff. So what I would suggest is that this epilator, why I call it a magic product, is that this product you can use even on your face. It's very, very safe. Only thing that you should not try it out is for your eyebrows. Leaving the eyebrows, the forehead, the entire face, the upper lip, everything can be done with this. So it's a very, very good investment, I would say, and a savior in emergency situations. So suppose if you have to go for a party and you do not have time to go to a salon, or the salon is closed, or like now we are under lockdown, and so what do? This is what I do, epilator. So okay, so with this okay, one product which I actually wanted to show you was that nowadays there are a lot of these kind of brushes which are there in the market. Okay, so these are, okay, I'll show you my brand that I have, and this is this one. Okay, can you see this? So this is what is my brand. So this is one brush which I had picked up many years back, and ab kam aayi. So what this brush does is, and you get these kind of items a lot in the market, though this was all bought online, and you can see these brushes which are very thick and very soft, very, very soft. So what does this brush do? Now after the brush is done, and you can use this brush to straighten your hair, in the sense that it has a temperature, and you can actually, so this is the temperature here, and you can actually adjust the temperatures, and you can comb your hair with this, and you get a straightened look from this kind of brush. Okay, coming back to Manasvi's question. If at all I do not have an access to the plucker, I do not have an access to the scissor, I do not have an access to mascara, I do not have an access to eye pencils, eyeshadows, or I do not have an access to the epilator, or whatever, and I am under lockdown, and I am feeling a bit messy when it comes to my hair, my eyebrows, and the heat and everything, then what do I do? So yes, what you have to do is always remember one thing: these are all external things. If you have an access, it's good. They are all there only in order to boost your confidence. The real confidence and the real you is only within you. So you cannot, if your hair is gray and you about it, if your eyebrows are grown up and you can't do anything about it, and so on and so forth, then it in no way means that you cannot face people, or you shouldn't face people. You have to find your confidence. You have to connect with yourself, and it's you who can do this and nothing else. So the beauty and the power lies within you. All these are all extra things. I'm not saying they are not important. Yes, they are important. Yes, they help us to boost the confidence, definitely. But minus all these things and no access to all these things, then it is you who has to rise above all these things and show that confidence and come out with confidence. And that's what is the reality. Okay, Aarti, you have something. I don't even know how to apply the eyeliner. Okay, great. So we will do one session on the eyeliner. Lipstick is my whole and soul. Makeup. Okay, Aarti. Yeah, lipstick does make a whole lot of a difference. At the same time, having said that, it's good if you know certain things and certain detailing on makeup and stuff, so that always dressing up takes you to a different level. So it does help in many ways. And so I'm through with what I wanted to share. Now I would like to hear from you all. How did you like today's session? That's point number 1. Point number 2 is that, do you have any topics that you would like me to talk on? There is something that you want me to touch upon. There is something that you would like to learn. So I would be very, very happy to cover up the topics. And I'm going to be starting very soon on fitness. I'm going to cover fitness on this same page, the official page. So there are going to be some live sessions on fitness, which is going to cover the aerobics and the strength trainings. I will be announcing them well in advance so that you guys can join in. That is point number 1. Point number 2 is that on image consulting, different kind of topics I would be coming up with lives here on this page. So if there are any specific topics that you want me to talk on, then feel free to connect with me, and I shall try and work on that topic and come to deliver here. Yes, I remember you helped me in my last auditions. Okay. My pleasure, Aarti, always. And it's always good to see your enthusiasm. Keep rocking. Life is beautiful. I would love to have a session on makeup from start to end. Okay, so let's keep one session on the makeup. Anything else, Aarti? So I will show you in that session. I will show you the kind of products that you need to have, and how they all have to be used and in what order. So that would help you, definitely. Is there anything else you would like to know? please feel free and put down on the comments, or you can also write to me one-on-one. And I also take up the sari styling sessions. I take up the scarf styling sessions, also the wardrobe analysis, and whole lot of things, confidence building, body language, and communication, and yeah. How to highlight lips with natural lip shades. Aarti, I'm going to cover this in your makeup session. We'll cover all these things on your makeup session. We'll do all the makeup thing together. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and the tips will definitely help you in this lockdown. It has helped me definitely, and I'm very, 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 very happy with this magic product, and that is the plucker. Aarti, please go get the plucker from the chemist shop and use it, and do give me a feedback. Also get a scissor, a small scissor, something like this, okay, to just chop off this hair from the top, and this one is to pluck the hair. Saris, yes, how many, but don't know how to drape it. So yes, we will have one session on the saris, and you will know how to drape it. Don't worry about it. So great, thank you so much for connecting, and yeah, thank you Aarti, thank you so much. And here I sign off right now. Have a good evening, keep smiling always, and stay strong. We are all in it together. Stay home, stay safe. Love you all. Bye.